Whoa, I'm Franken. I'll never be gone, I'll always be there for you. In today's video, I'll be teaching you about the law of cause and effect. Yes, the law of cause and effect. But before we get deeper into our conversation, I will need you to hit the subscribe button and get notified whenever Franken Hamex drops a video. Now, I'll be teaching you about the law of cause and effect, the law of karma. The law of cause and effect, which is the law of karma, which states that every action has a reaction. Now, listen, everything that you do, say, and believe shapes your life to a certain direction. Everything that you do, say, or believe will come back to you. It shapes your life. Like whatever that you say will come back to you in a different day, in a different time. Listen, whatever that you do to others will come back to you. So listen, it starts from the cause. What is the cause? The cause is the mind. Whatever that happens inside your mind, it happens in a mental plane where everything starts. Before you think about having or going to a vacation, you had an idea, which is a cause. You are not yet on the vacation, but you are still thinking of going to the vacation. That's the cause, which is your mind. So everything starts in your mind. That's where the cause starts. Therefore, whenever you are now saving money, you are now applying action. You understand? You are applying action. Therefore, whenever you're going to the vacation, that's the final dream or desired reality. But it started from the mind, which was the cause. That's why it is the law of cause and the law of effect, which means whatever that you do will come back to you. It might be a negative thing, it might be a positive thing. Whatever you do to others will come back to you. Whatever you say to others will come back to you. Whenever you say you are broke, whenever you say you are poor, whenever you say that you can't do this, that's what you are telling your mind, and that's what you are thinking inside your mind. It will happen to you. It's not all about others. Whatever I'm trying to say, whatever you do will come back to you. You might do it to others, you might do it to anyone, but it will come back to you yourself. Now listen, you will need to change the way you cause things inside your mind, which means you will need to change the way you think. Whenever you change the way you think, surely you have changed your life and you have changed your reality, because everything starts in the mind. Listen, for example, we are living in an environment where people don't want to see others win. Now listen, you will need to change the way you think. You understand? You know that you are broke, you know that you don't have this, but you will need to change your attitude and act as if you have abundance. You will need to feel abundant. You will need to be positive to yourself. Then it will shape your reality, and it will change your actions, and it will change your beliefs, which will give you that desired reality, because you are doing it is now coming back to you. You have changed your cause, which will change your effect. As I said, that each and every action has its own reaction. So whenever you change the way you think, which is your cause, then you will change the effect. Listen, you can't focus on the harvest without focusing on your seeds, which means whenever you are thinking, you are planting the seeds inside your mind, which will grow and be harvested in the physical plane, in the physical world, with your hands. So whatever that you see, everything you see, just like this play ball right here, whenever you see this bottle, somebody had an idea of creating this Now we can use it to spray and do whatever, because it came from the what? From the mind. So whatever that you do starts from the mind. So you need to change the cause, which will change your effect, which means you'll focus on your seeds, which will give you the harvest in the next season. That's what I'm trying to say. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this content. I'm Franken Hamex. I keep dropping more videos each and every week. If you like these esoteric advices, I'm Franken. I will see you on another video.